ba?
Hearing in the dark, feeling
Huwag ka na nakipag-away. Huwag ka na mawala. Kaya ka na.
so
Anong title natin?
you're so sincere.
Ito na ako, Mili.
How could our love be so blind? We sailed on together when drifted apart, and here you are by my side. So now I come to you with open arms, nothing to hide. Believe what I say. So here I am with open arms, hoping you see what your love means to me. Open arms.
Isa na lang kaya? Baka may babaw. Alex, hindi natin may babaw natin.
May babae na kayo bago.
Oy, napalit-palit na ako. Binigay mo kay Bobo dyan. Huwag ka nang pupunta dito.
Ano